These sourdough vegan pancakes, they're pillowy soft, airy and has perfect little tankiness, which makes me say that I wouldn't have pancakes any other way. Also, this is a great way to use up sourdough discard that you may have at the back of your fridge. If you're new to my channel, I would like to say a big hi. I do videos mainly on sourdough recipes, home organization, motherhood and other delicious food. So if you happen to like such videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new updates. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, let's add some chia seeds in water, just enough to soak it. I will be measuring the weight of this mixture while adding it into the pancake batter. So now let's begin by getting all the dry ingredients into this bowl. I'm used to eyeballing my ingredients, but for your reference, I'm measuring them here as you can see. So the first among the dry ingredients is flour. I'm using bread flour here as that's what I had at hand, but you could always add regular all-purpose flour here. So that's measured up to 160 grams. Now the next ingredient is mixed spices. I love the flavor of it. If you don't have this mixture, I will put the ingredients of this mix in the description box below. You could easily get this mix done at home. Into this mix we're adding some baking powder, and now goes in some baking soda. And some salt to taste. Also adding in some sugar. Here I'm using demerara sugar. But you could always use plain white sugar too. And give all these dry ingredients a thorough mix, so all the ingredients are dispersed very well throughout the mixture. Once it's all mixed in, make a well in the center as seen, and it's time to add in the sourdough starter discard. This has been sitting in the fridge for a few days and it's past its peak and is now inactive, but that's absolutely okay to use. And it weighs about 120 grams. Now to add in some milk, I'm using coconut milk here, but you could use any milk to your liking. As you can see, I've added 200 grams of coconut milk, but I will be adding more if need be to adjust the consistency of the batter in the end. But as of now, I have 200 grams of coconut milk in the batter. Now goes in some oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Now for the last ingredient, it's chia seeds that has now gelled up. This is to substitute the addition of eggs. Also, this makes the pancakes really soft. It's also high in fiber, loaded with antioxidants, protein, and is also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. So now as you can see, I'm mixing it all in. I'm starting in the middle and slowly incorporating all the ingredients into the center of the bowl as I mix. Also, it's important not to mix vigorously. I've learned by experience that mixing really hard results in flat pancakes. I'm hoping to make fluffy pancakes here, so just take an extra minute or two and slowly fold in all the ingredients together. Now I would like the batter consistency to be a little more thin, so I'm adding in an extra 38 grams of coconut milk. So the batter has now got a total of 238 grams of milk. So it's best to add in increments so the batter won't be too runny in the end. Then leave the batter to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Resting helps the gluten in the flour to relax and also helps in getting those pancakes light and airy. So it's been 20 minutes. I am just mixing the batter now. I can see it's fluffed up a bit and is airy as you can see. So now it's time to make some pancakes. I'm oiling my hot pan first and then adding a ladle full of batter. Now cook it on low to medium fire and only turn it once you see small bubbles on top and the outer sides of the pancake have started to dry up, as you can see. Now I'm flipping it. Look at that rise, that's what you really want. Now here I'm trying to cook 2 pancakes at the same time. Here, as you can see, the pancakes looks really airy. This is a baby one I tried in the end. Now all that's left is to stack them up, as you can see, and add the toppings to your liking. My kids love berries, so I have added those. And also don't forget to drizzle some good quality maple syrup. So all that's left is to cut it up and mop up some maple syrup with those sourdough pancakes and enjoy it. This is just to show you the insides of the pancake. As you can see, the holes, which means it's super fluffy and soft. Thank you so much for watching. If you have liked this video, be sure to hit the like button for me, please, and also subscribe to my channel as I do a lot of sourdough content. See you soon with some Christmas cheer. Lots of love and God bless.